All right, we are going to make a stem and leaf plot from this data right here, from these test scores. They're supposed to be spelling test scores. I'm going to walk you through how to make a stem and leaf plot and make sure you understand how to find the mean, median, mode, and range. Let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is order my numbers from least to greatest, as I've done here already, so that's good. And then notice that I have some 60s, so I've got a stem of 6. I've got some 70s, so I've got a stem of 7. I've got some 80s. Actually, I have another 80 right there. I should have underlined that. I've got a 90, and I've got a 100, which I'm going to put down as 10. So I've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are the stems. Now I'm going to put in the leaves. So for my 60s, I've got a 0 and a 5. For my 70s, I've got a 0, 5, and 5. For my 80s, I've got 5, 5, 5, and 5. For my 90s, I've just got a 0. And for my 10s, I've just got another 0, which of course makes 100. So how can I now find the mean value? Well, if I go back to my calculator here, my Desmos, I'm going to pull this over. Give me a second. I want you to remember how we can use the Desmos calculator. Let me move this over here. There we go. So I want to remind you how we can use the Desmos calculator to find the mean, median. Let's see. It won't give us the mode and range, but we'll find those anyway. So remember, we first set up a table and we put everything in the X1 column. Now I'm going to go over in my functions over here, and remember we can click stats, right? And if I click stats and then click X1, because that's where my data lives in X1, it's giving me my min, my medium, my max. Wow, I have a lot to work with here. So I'm going to start with it says I have the mean. Let's go ahead and grab that first. So I'm going to go back down here and I'm going to click on functions again. And I'm going to click mean. And again, I want the mean of the data that lives in X1. And it gave me 79.545. Let's just make it 79.5. That 4 is not going to make that 5 move up to 6. So we're going to make it 79.5. That's what I'm going to put here. 79.5. I already have my median. My median is 85. Okay, so I'm going to put 85 right here. And notice it looks like the middle of the data really is in 85. And if I would move in from the center, we would see that the center of my data is 85. Okay, we need the mode. What number happens the most? The number that appears the most is 85. That's pretty easy. Actually, let me go down because I think I have this so that I'm going to do it this way. Let me stay with the show. All right, sorry. Let's just do it this way. This will work. So the mode is going to be 85. The mode is going to also be 85. And the range we get by subtracting the minimum from the maximum. So that is 100 minus 60, which equals 40. So my range right here is going to be 40. And I'm done. That's it. That's how we make our stem and leaf plot and answer these questions. All right, so your job is to complete the rest of these and practice this skill. All right, good luck. Make sure to submit your work. Thank you.